everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ryan Collet, and today I'm going to be doing some really cool stuff with my saving challenges, my sinking funds, and also my expenses. So the first thing I want to do is something fun, so I'm going to actually do the saving challenges first to get us started. Alright, so for these saving challenges, I have, oh, actually, give me 1 second. Okay, and we're back. Okay, so I have some Sort Quick, and it was suggested by a few people, and also Lady Di Saves, because she uses Sort Quick in her videos to sort the bills and stuff. So I am gonna try it, because I've never actually used this before. And she basically said that you don't really need a lot of it, because it'll get a little bit, I guess, tacky on your fingertips. So let's try it out. Comment down below if you've ever tried Sort Quick. All right. So we have for our saving challenges 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and 31. So you have $31. And 20 of it was actually from donations that I got. So thank you so much if you donated. You are amazing. And I promised that I would use the donations towards the saving challenges. So that is exactly what I'm gonna do. Okay, so we might be able to do the dollar challenge, also known as the grape challenge. But first I want to do the monthly challenges first. So I'm going to put $5 in the lucky savings. I'm going to go and put that in there. So I also am going to count how much we have in there so far. So let me get the marker. And back to using the table, I find that I have a little bit more room on the dining table than I do on the coffee table. I do like the coffee table though, it's pretty cool. So I hope everyone is doing great today. I am actually filming at night. It's exactly 11:53. Me and Jay were watching some movies, and then he decided to play a game, and I was just waiting until we had time apart so that I could film the videos. So we have $5 in our savings, lucky savings, and now we have a total of, let's see, let's get it together so that I can count it better. So now we have 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So we have $45 in our lucky savings so far. I would say that's pretty good. Don't you think? Okay. So next we have the Easter egg saving challenges. So I'm gonna be putting $8 in to cover this whole row. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Now I just have to figure out what colors I'm gonna do the Easter eggs. Let's see. I was thinking about using like maybe a gold egg. Do you think gold would be kind of cool? Let's do that. gold is pretty cool, but it does cover up the one. But we already know that each egg is $1, so it doesn't really matter at this point. I actually color better with these, the really fat markers. The fine ones, I don't really color that great. Let's do an orange. I feel like there's more colors in the fat markers than there is the fine ones. But I love Sharpies. I'm so glad that I found these Sharpies. They were only $5. All right, so then we're gonna do, let's do a purple. All right, and also guys, I forgot to mention this. I made a few more full page stuff. I made an expense. You know, like how I have this right here where it shows the expense. I actually did a full page one, and I'm gonna show it on my website here soon. I don't know if this one shows up, but we're gonna find out. But yeah, I'm gonna put it on my website soon, and if you're interested in doing the full page expense trackers, I will have that. I think those would be really good for doing like the saving challenges and stuff. You could like write what challenge it is, and then like, that would be pretty cool. I don't know, it's just an idea. What about a black Easter egg? We could do that. Or why not we do this? What if we do a metallic one, and then put black polka dots on it? I don't know, I'm just trying to be creative, I guess. There's some black pokies. Okay, I don't want to take too long in this video because I don't want it to just be me coloring. I'm probably going to do like my expenses and sinking funds in a different video, just so that the video isn't like super long. All right, let's do let's see, this is like a pink metallic one. And let's do a blue. All right. So we have $8 in there. And if my math is correct, we should have $16 altogether. So let's count it. Let's see if there's any other bills. Okay. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. $16. I can't wait to get these 2 months finished because I want to start on the summer one, and I also want to start on another challenge as well. All right, so now we're going to be playing the level up game. I'm going to be putting $4 in it this time, and then we're going to roll the dice. Before I had it colored blue and I couldn't really see it, so I just used the metallic silver marker. So we're gonna do that today. All right, let's change my position here. I hope you can see this in the camera. All right. So we're gonna put $4 in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh wait, let me use the I'm gonna use the really big Sharpie. Okay. So let's color the 4. And if you're new to my channel, this game is called the Level Up mini game, and I actually made this game. You can find it on my website at ryancollet.com. And you can download the A6 size or the full page size. And all you need is a piece of dye, and which is one of these. And you just need the game piece and some money. So now that I've gotten the first row done, I can move on to the star. And it says that whatever it lands on, I have to double. So we're gonna go ahead and roll the dice. All right, I hope you guys can see that. It landed on a 4. So 4 times 2 is 8. So we're gonna put $8 in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so we have $8 more in with a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold on, let me count that over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 plus 5. Handy dandy calculator. What did I say? I can't remember. 13 plus 5? 18. So we have $18 in the Level Up games so far. And I'm super excited. So, let's see, 4, and then 4 times 2 is 8. Yeah, so 18, we have $18. Sorry, sometimes my math sucks, so I have to double make sure. I know that's probably not like a word, but I have to double make sure that it's correct. Otherwise, I'll be like, where did this money come from? Or why am I short? All right, so now we're going to be putting, we're actually going to be coming to the on time for work. Because, guys, let me tell you something. I was so late all this week. And it was not even funny, because, I mean, it is just horrible. Some days I am good, but some days I'm really bad at getting to work on time. So we're going to color, let's see, I was late on Wednesday. I was late on Thursday. And then I was on time on Saturday when I worked. And then that is a total of, let's see, 2, 4, 6. So that's a total of 6. And then I was late Monday of this week, Tuesday of this week, late on Wednesday, late on Thursday, and I was also late today. I'm telling you, like, this whole week I was so late every single day. But next week I'm gonna try to get all green. That way I can have that as a goal, just to make it all green. So Therefore, I have to put $6 into my on time for work. So that's $6 extra. And that is a total of, give me 1 second. $10, $15, $16, $17, $18, $19, $20, $21, and $22. Yeah, $22. So I have $22 in here now. Isn't that amazing? I just hope that I can do a little bit more so that I can just put it towards my credit card or something, or put it in my debt. Let me actually update my tracker right now, because I have a feeling that if I don't, I'm gonna forget about it. All right, so we're gonna use the black Sharpie. And if you guys want to get these expense trackers, you can go to my website, RyanCollet.com, and there you just click on trackers and the expense tracker will come up. And basically what you do is you just write the day that you're doing your transaction, your category of what you're doing, such as, balance or deposit or transfer. I'll show you right now. So today is the 14th, and we are depositing. I could just say deposit, but I just accidentally wrote depositing. What are we depositing again? $6. So then we would just go 6, and then we would go 4, 14, then balance 16 plus 6 is 22. All right, and then just put it back in the envelope. And now we're getting on to my other tracker that you can also get, my other 2 trackers actually, that you can get on my website as well. And basically, it's the subscriber goal and the watch time. Last week, I actually hit 400 subscribers, and I think right now we're at 465, I believe, somewhere around there. So thank you guys so much for subscribing. And whenever I get to my 500 goal, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. And we are actually past the 400 mark. It's actually almost at 500 as well for the watch time. So let's go ahead and mark off 400. I really appreciate it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching my channel and commenting and interacting with me. It really does mean a lot to me. Alright, you guys, so I think this is gonna wrap up today's video for the saving challenges. I'm gonna be doing another video with the stuffing my paycheck for my expenses and also my sinking funds. And I hope you guys had fun hanging out with me. I had fun hanging out with you today, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.